Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix FC25 stuck on the loading screen. Alright, let's begin. First, restart your console or PC to clear any temporary cache that might be causing the issue. Then, make sure both FC25 and your system software are fully updated to the latest versions. On PC, open the Steam or EA app, select FC25, and choose the option to repair or verify game files. Next, disconnect and reconnect your internet or try launching the game offline. Disable any VPN or overlay apps like Discord or MSI Afterburner as they can interfere. If it still freezes, uninstall and reinstall FC25. Finally, contact eSupport if the problem continues, as it might be linked to your account or server issues. So that's basically how you can fix FC25 stuck on the loading screen. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.